The process of setting up a startup in Spain involves several legal steps, which can vary depending on the type of company chosen. I will now tell you about those different steps. First, you should choose a company form. As we have seen before, the choice of company form should be based on a variety of factors that you should take into account. Then you should choose a company name. The startup must choose a unique company name that is not already registered with the commercial registry. After that, you should draft and sign the company bylaws. The company bylaws outline the internal rules and regulations of the company. You should then obtain a tax identification number. In Spain we call this a NIF. And the startup must obtain this identification number from the tax agency, which is called in Spain Agencia Tributaria, to carry out a business activity in Spain. Then you should open a bank account. The startup must open a bank account in the name of the company and deposit the minimum capital required for the chosen company form. As we said before, for instance, 3,000 euros. Then you should register the company with the commercial registry. So the startup must register the company with the commercial registry, the Registro Mercantil, in the province where the company is located. Then you should obtain other required license and permits. For instance, depending on the nature of the business, the startup may need to obtain other licenses or permits from the relevant authorities, such as a business license or health and safety certificate. Finally, you should register with the social security system. The startup must register with the social security system Seguridad Social to obtain the necessary social security coverage for its employees. So it's important to note that this process of setting up a startup in Spain can be kind of complex and time-consuming, but it's very important to do it well.